Good morning, my beautiful vlog family. How are we today? I'm looking crazy, but what's new? What's new? I gotta let my dogs out really quick. Ooh, love that it's a fucking rainy ass day. My camera battery is about to die, but I'm gonna just make a coffee and make food and make a grocery list because we're going grocery shopping as soon as Trevor gets home. So I'll update you guys. Love you.
Let's talk about my love life. Well, I'm taking myself on a solo date, so I feel like that kind of maybe says enough. Bitch, don't tell me that you matter if you ain't been involved.
Watching literally my inspiration when it comes to video and content creation is reggae. Also, I'm eating breakfast, so even though it's like 4 o'clock. Hi queens! Guess who's home?
Queen. Before fucking 4 o'clock is crazy.
Okay, we are going to the grocery store and going to the P.O. box. The P.O. box closes in 40 minutes, so we're gonna rush over there. And then we're gonna go get some groceries because Lord knows we need some food in our house, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, queen.
Meet you there.
Thank you, queen.
You guys meeting us there? Okay, sounds good. See you there. Okay, we are at the P.O. box. Let's see what we get.
Let's rock out with our cocks out.
Okay, literally there was nothing. Yeah, but that's okay because, you know, keeps us on our toes. Yeah. So if anyone wants to send anything to our P.O. box,
let us know.
I'll put the address right here. Ready? Okay, we have arrived to the Win of the Coast, and
you heard it here first, Win Co.
We're gonna be some adults today and go grocery shopping.
Adulting. It sucks.
But we're gonna make the most out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. First.
Sorry. Diced tomatoes.
We're in the GS. If you don't know what that means, it means grocery store. That's crazy. Sweet potato. Check.
Mustache looking stashy today.
No yolk. Need tortillas. Tortilla extra illa
Tortilla.
Hey y'all. How's it going tonight?
Welcome back to our podcast where we podcast and grocery shop at the same time.
We do both at the same time.
It's a concept that not many people have taken up yet.
What's the topic about today?
The topic is on Flamin' Hot Cheetos, if they're good or not. They're not good. Marshmallows. Oh fuck, you're running right into the shit.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Don't get too hectic around us.
It's kind of a get whatever you want grocery shop.
Okay.
So next, I'd like to go for some of those.
Hiiii gummy bears.
What about the cheese bit? So I told that bitch Karen, shut the fuck up. Oh yeah. Get the kosher deals.
We're making some chickles, y'all.
Oh. She's gone like the wind. At least she thinks she is. Run, Boris, run.
What was that he said about me?
I didn't say anything.
You get to cook me, Rennie.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a literal full cart of things.
Full cart. It was like $170.
Oh wow, it's really good.
Won't you please?
Nice.
Huh?
Look at us being adults and actually getting groceries. I'm gonna have fun editing that footage.
That was a really good grocery haul. We haven't been in the grocery store in like a while. So it's a really good grocery haul.
Grocery stores are so overwhelming. We got motherfucking groceries, baby, and we back home. You're so, you just don't even know, bro. This is all, I put all of the fridge when I got stuff. Enough said, Rev. Let's make it 400 because we're feeling crazy.
Crazy wild.
We're feeling crazy. You already know the vibes, okay? Let me show you. Tonight we're having salad, but really yummy salad. Wash my hands. We're taking this. We're in a little bit of PP paper. Parchment for using these little green beans, okay? You know, I have recently fallen in love with green beans. It's just like a little bit smushy.
How you tell,
Queen. Thou who gets it, gets it.
No, you don't.
And thou who don't. A little olive oil. You already know the vibes.
Put away the dishes.
We're gonna do a little GP, get a little garlic powder. All I have is a fucking soup spoon, so.
Say less, queen.
Say less, queen. I'm also gonna do some Johnny's seasoning because this shit's just kind of gas. And some black pepper. I think you've seen what I'm talking about.
You talking about?
Something light. These are going straight in the oven. Okay, we're making a salad dressing tonight because we are DIYers here in this household, okay? We're going over to Julia Havens' Instagram, love her. Okay, I just got exposed because you know what? I do follow her, but I follow her on my other account. Thank you. What am I thinking? I'll just follow her here. The fuck? She deserves both my follows. Okay, we're scrolling over to salad dressing. Thank you. This is the salad dressing we're making. Pause if you want.
Okay.
You like onions so much? Have you ever just straight up tried a shallot? Oh my god, I need this knife to be sharper. That's not gonna work for me. If it stresses any of you out that I have to cut stuff with my acrylic nails, same. But I also need to take these nails off because they're fugly as fuck. But this is how long they would have lasted if I didn't turn into a little anxious little hog.
Like a lime green race car theme. Instead you get lime green. Default out, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Is this sweet?
Let's use the good old finger trick. Tell them we love them.
Love you, girl. It's time to go.
Oh my god. Okay. I feel like that's enough right there. We'll just go like... that seems good.
You just want to go for a ball.
Okay. Boom. That's our dressing. Let that shit marinate. Okay. Time to assemble the salad. We got the chicken, roast. You obviously have the lettuce and the dressing. No shit, I have a fucking almost dead battery, bruh. Fuck off. Salad. Your chicken. Boom. Tomato. Cucumber. Green beans. Sweet.
Oh.
Look at that. Boom. Bone apple titties.
Bone apple tea.
We're gonna eat this delicious food and then probably stream. So, see you there.